Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. It's not funny, but it kind of is. It seems like it's becoming a trend for men to call women out for cheating on them. Recently, there's a video, and I don't remember the details, but there was a guy who called his girlfriend out. I don't think that they were married or engaged, but I could be wrong because, like I said, I don't remember the details. But anyway, he invited his mother and father over, and she was there, and they were having dinner. And he said, "Oh, baby, I gotta show you something." Da 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 da. She was like, "What?" He was like, "I got a surprise for you." She was like, "What? Like, what is it? Oh my God, right?" And I think he pulled up on his phone a recording of her cheating, like saying what she was going to do with other guys or to other guys or what she had done with other guys or whatever, however it went. And again, his parents were there and they were all having dinner. And so then he basically said to his parents, "Do you still think she, or, this Miss Goody Two Shoes or whatever?" And then he basically told her to get her and get the out. Fill in the blanks. Um, there was another, like, that wasn't the only one. I saw at least two like that, where basically the guy, I think the other one was like her whole family was there, like both their families were there. Um, so now, today I saw this guy with a T-shirt, and it was a meme. It was a post on Facebook, and basically the guy had on a T-shirt. He made a T-shirt of her um, going down on a guy, satisfying him, um, orally, and he showed up at her job with the T-shirt on and like called her out that way. So I guess this is becoming a trend. And again, like I said, it's funny, but it's not funny. But I guess it's becoming a trend for guys to call women out for cheating on them. And in this age of Aquarius, I guess this is the new wave, as they say, as the kids say. And like I said, it's funny, but it's not funny. Um, and maybe this will stop some women from thinking that they can just manipulate men with sex just to get what they want. Maybe. And maybe it's time out for, um, you know, really for people to be called out so that they can start healing, because it's basically this person wants to be or feel wanted. And usually that has something to do with something that happened during their childhood, 9 times out of 10 with their parents. Um, some type of rejection or abandonment that they felt from their parents that makes this person have a low self-esteem. In order to get attention, they just go from one partner to another, thinking it's just because they want to be sexually free, when really a lot of times they just want attention because they probably didn't get that attention growing up. And so now this person is an adult who's still seeking validation and attention, but from other adults. Again, not realizing it's something that they need to heal from childhood. And this is not me trying to be funny. And I'm sure people will get mad because people don't like to hear the truth. Somebody may suck their teeth, tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm stupid, tell me I'm crazy. I don't care. That's fine. Um, I'm just stating, the fact of what it is, which is that 9 times out of 10, this feeling or lack thereof originated from childhood, and it's not acceptable. And I've been saying to guys for years, like, I've always had male friends over the years, and there's always this assumption that women are just these sweet, innocent beings. But I've always said that women are just better at cheating and hiding the fact that they are cheating. And therefore, they just get away with it because they know how to hide it better and cover it up. And some guys, once they sleep with a girl, it's like, oh, she'll never do that to me. And she's the main one doing it, right? Because it happens. But anyway, again, this is not for me to pick on anybody, but I'm noticing this trend, and I'm hoping that, again, it forces people to do a self-assessment so that they can start the healing journey and stop this toxic behavior that isn't serving a good purpose in their life or the lives of the person that they're in a relationship with. So that's it. I love y'all. Later. Mwah.